Hey there, folks. I'm Joe Crawford of artlung.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, do the daily target, and record it. Let's do that now. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's a fun one. Hard not to see a conic gradient for me on this one. So that looks like just the single element, no margins. And I think that the thing that we can keep is the color stops, which are going to be into variable dash dash s, and it will be this color white, 25%. And then this green, 0. So now, how do we use this thing that I said we're going to use? Conic gradient. And it's good. The first one is going to be at 0 on the x-axis and then down 200 pixels. No, 100 pixels, maybe. It's going to have a width and height of 200 pixels and then a no repeat. And then I'm going to put in this dash dash, or this bar dash dash s. And that's kind of what I'm getting at. Boom. So I have the widths wrong. What is this, 180? 200, 180, 190. I want to push it down more. 10, 20. And that makes it 180. And then this is 180 as well. And then this at, this, I guess we need an at value there, don't we? So interestingly, so yeah, we need an at, or yeah, at. So I centered it at 100, and what I want is what, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and then this is lower, 50, 60. So that's the first one. And then another one would be, I just cut and paste. This one ends up being from, it's the at value of this one is from 0.5 turn. Da, 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 da. And it's at 100%, 100% 0, and it'll be at 60, 120 instead, to get the same effect. Is this a good solution? Nah, not really. It's satisfying to me because I do like Arcana Gradient. And it's not a terrible score. That's 632, and we got 100% match. It's fine. Is it good? Not particularly. All right, so how do we do this simpler? Let's make a single element and have it have a background of white, which we only need 3 Fs for. I guess we know it's 180 tall. Is that right? We'll need margins to push him into place. And I'm going to do it with borders. I'm going to say border solid and then a color, and then border width is 0, 0, 120 pixels, 120 pixels, and so the height then is like 40. So this is sort of the technique to create this. A lot simpler than conic gradients, admittedly. So let's do margins. So this last margin is a -8. This top margin is 40, 40, 60, 70, 80, 120, 120. The height is 60. This right margin 220, 210, 212. There it is. That's the first one. So, and then we create another one. Boom. Now we don't see him yet. So -1, 2, 200. There it is. 2, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And actually, 100. 400, 420. And so the second one, we will use my translate. 200 pixels, 220 pixels. And we need to rotate him. So rotate. So we can do scale -1, I think would do it. We need our semicolons, and that will do it as well. We could rotate it. We could do a scale of reversing the x and reversing the y-axis. That has the same effect. Minify, unit replace, remove the body and replace with ampersand. And that's another solution. Kind of a fun one. A lot of fun, and that's a better score. And maybe a little simpler to deal with. Many ways to do. These are just boxes. Just boxes. We have many choices. Borders and box shadows and lots of simple techniques. Hope you enjoyed that. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a web page. I'll see you around again. Bye-bye.